Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Realme 9 Pro. Firstly, access Play Store on both smartphones and tap on the search bars. Now you need to type and send anywhere and install this free app from this developer. Following that, just tap on Open. From this screen here, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on the other phone. And now you can finally select Send on an Android and Receive on Realme. Then click on all of those dots and choose Send. This way you can select all of those files and send them later on. It will take a long time though to send all of them, so I will go with only one. Choose Send and tap on Got it. As you can see from here, we have the connection ways. We can scan this QR code by tapping on this scanning icon on Realme, choosing while using the app or only this time, and pointing our camera at the code. But we can also just input this key here and click on Receive. Now, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!